is my cravings today. It's gonna be out of the norms, you know, guys. I am not going to have a whole lot of recipes put in place, how many ounces, how many grams, how many. Please just bear with me, just follow the step. It's quite easy. This is garden egg. I'm making a garden egg sauce in an improved way. This is one of the traditional meals that you make and you enjoy it with yam, your rice, or it's just a sauce, right, guys? I have this blended pepper mix where I have my red bell, my onions, and just little onions. I'm still going to use onions too. I have my habaneros, and that's basically that, and little onions. So this one is my blended crayfish, and I have dry fish to go with this sauce, guys. I'm going to do eggplant, so let me imagine. Do you know what I want to eat with it? This is my potato, it's already peeled and washed. And you know, guys, I have a video where I make butter. This is my buttermilk. I told you can use the buttermilk for your cooking needs. And don't forget, guys, always as usual, this is my Goldmine Aroma Soup mix. So guys, I cut this. It's already been washed. Cut it into any shape you like, and it's so that it can cook faster, right? My 5-minute seasoning as usual. Yes, guys, you can actually eat it with the bag, but you know, I love extra. Just match it. You can use your hand, you can use spoon, you can use, just let it mix together. Alright guys, this is my garden egg sauce with potato in buttermilk sauce. Yeah! So guys, thank you for always watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, share, like, and push your notification button so that anytime we upload new video, you will always be notified.